Hi, I'm Dr. Tripti Raheja. I'm practicing gynecologist at Raheja Clinic. My area of special expertise is laparoscopic surgeries. Nowadays, many women come to us with complaint of uterine fibroid. Uterine fibroid is a very common non-cancerous growth of uterine muscles. They affect around 20 to 40% of women of childbearing age group. They can range in size from very tiny to very large masses that distort whole of the uterus. Why they develop in certain women, it is not known, though there are certain risk factors that increase the chance of development of uterine fibroids, like family history of fibroid uterus, early onset of menstrual period, delayed childbearing, diet rich in red meat, regular intake of alcohol, and having a diet low in green vegetables and fruits. Fibroids can remain symptomless for long periods, and sometimes they are diagnosed on routine examination. But most of the women come to us with the symptoms like prolonged and heavy menstrual period leading to development of anemia or weakness. Sometimes they cause pain in pelvic area or lower abdominal area, sensation of pressure in lower abdomen. Then they can cause painful menstruation, pain during sexual intercourse. Sometimes they grow very big in size and they cause pressure on urinary bladder that lead to frequent micturition, or sometimes they cause pressure on bowel leading to constipation and bloating sensation in the abdomen. Treatment of fibroids depends on age of woman, her desire for further pregnancy, number and size of fibroids, and severity of symptoms the fibroid is causing. Sometimes fibroids cause minimal symptom or no symptom at all. In such cases, they can be treated on conservative basis. But in most of the women in which symptoms are significant, surgery is required in the form of hysterectomy or myomectomy. If you want any further consultations regarding fibroids of uterus, you can consult me at Raheja Clinic in Vijayanagar. You can call me, text me, or book an appointment via Laborate.